Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to display a modal pop-up message inside of LWR Digital Experience site. Here's an example of a pop-up. So when I reload my page, the pop-up shows up for me. So today we are going to see how to display that, how to build that. Okay, so let's start. So first I'm going to remove the component here. So to start from 0. And then the first thing you need to do is install the EvoluteMessage, because for LWR sites, we do need the advanced component. So you do need the EvoluteMessage, and then you do need to go to the dashboard. So you search for the EvoluteMessage, it's going to open the dashboard for you. Once you have done that, click on Add Message. In our case, we do want the Salesforce modal. So you choose that, I'm going to give that a name. So modal demo2 LWR. Then you can double click to change the header if you want. You can show or hide the header if you want. And another main change you need to do is to change the target page. The target page is not going to be Lightning, neither Aura. It's going to be LWR Digital Experience. So once you have done that, and that's it. So you publish. And basically your page now, your message should be able to load into LWR. So now you can go to the builder and then drag and drop the component, because this is going to be a modal message. So it doesn't matter where you drag and drop. Let's say I can drag and drop that right here as well. I think I did. It's actually right here on the corner here. So, and I will choose my message for demo. And you'll see that it runs already, but I don't want to load that every time I'm in the builder. So I will disable this option here, and I will now preview. So let's see how that looks like. So when I render my page, the modal is showing. As you can see here, it does not show the component here. So this message here just display on the builder, and that's it. So if you reload my page, I should see my modal here. Basically, that's how it is. Another thing you can do, let's say I want to actually not display as pop-up, you can just go here and let's say I want to display that as inline. I want to display that message actually here. So let me reload that, and I would see the message right here. If I want to change any CSS, because there's plain here, so I can also change that on design. If I want to, again, to remove the header or even the button there, I could do that as well. And because that is an advanced message, you can have custom filters where you can have all this type of filters, which is different of Salesforce filters. But also you can use Salesforce filter if you want. Basically, that's what this is want to show. Another thing to consider is, because you're using advanced message, you should be aware about a permission set, because you do need, your end user does need access to our page, our components. So you can check that in our documentation here as well. I also create another video talk about the toast message where I show how to add the permission set, but we have a documentation for that. Another limitation for the LWR pages are that we do not support yet flow and buttons. But if you want that we support that, please don't hesitate to send us a message, so then we can prioritize that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and contact us. I will be happy to help. Have a great day. Thank you.